Okay, so we're going to pick up with the subfloor and we're going to head on to the next part of the subfloor. This is going to be a little trickier. We're going to actually build on top of this surface and we're going to see what we can get done with that. This is going to be, it's going to be a little tough. Okay, so we're actually going to start a new sketch, and that new sketch is actually going to be on top of the old sketch. So we could just click either of those. So it's basically across the top here. We're going to create a rectangle. This rectangle is also 8 feet. So it might be better for us to get into the top view to do this. And we're going to go across. I'm going to hover over these, go to the side, and say click, drag, click. Okay, now this is going to represent a 2x4 that's on top. Okay, so let's get this dimension done. This is also going to be 96. I did not like that. There we go. And we might need a midpoint here. Let's see. I know. We're going to have to align this. So we're going to create a construction line across between these two, here to here. Okay. We're going to give a relationship to this next thing that's going to happen. Wow, it just wants to keep making more lines, so I'm going to just try to change the tool so we can stop that. Select this line and we can get out of here. Delete that. Nope, still wants to do it. Okay. So I'm having some problems with the mouse. I'm going to try to just go ahead and jump in the dimension tool so we can get out of here. Okay. This is going to be a little more complicated, so let me try it again. We're going to try a new sketch plane on top of this face. And we're going to create just a line. Okay, we're going to create a line down from there. Hover over and move over. There we go. Okay, this next rectangle that we're going to use, we're going to create, so we're going to lock that sketch in. Now we're going to do another sketch on top of this face. And the rectangle is going to be different. We're actually going to do a center point rectangle. Okay, let's go ahead and green check to lock that in. Oh, I'm sorry. We're going to have to go edit this, add some dimensions. This is going to be 1.5. This is 96. Okay, so this is going to be what goes on top, and we're going to extrude this up. We're done with the sketch. Pre-select the face. Then we're going to extrude it up 3.5. Let's take a look. I don't know why we're missing this little notch over here, but I must have got the bottom one. Okay, so we're basically going to move this along the board. Yeah, the center is this. Let me pause this. So now we're going to work this across. I'm going to select extrude to, and yeah, there's a little notch in it, but let's just ignore that and go across. So we need to create a linear pattern, and the distance is going to be 16 inches. And the instance count, let's see, we're going to go 16. It might be 6. I think we're just going to get 6 out of this. And then we want it centered. Okay. Part 2. I'm not seeing it propagate that pattern that I was hoping for. So let's try that again. Select this. Oh, the linear pattern has a problem. So let's edit that. Oh, the direction. Select direction. Direction? Oh, we don't want it centered. We want it to propagate one direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we still have some work to do, but basically this is the structure, and then we would build a skirt around this structure. And it looks like I selected too many pieces, so we'll return to this and make a better example, but let me just post this video. And then this is the general idea. We would have these supports. There would be an additional support here at the end that will draw in, and then we would encircle this, and then this is what we would lay the subfloor down, or the different frame, the walls would come up from this. Okay, so stay tuned for more updates on this.